What's up, y'all? Welcome to another new episode of New Life Furniture. Thanks for joining me. So, we just went online, found us another great table to go pick up. So, let's go ahead, jump in the car, and go pick this one up. Ooh-wee! Well, don't know what's going on. We were waiting for about 45 minutes outside of the meeting place for this table. And now the person is not getting back to me. So just kind of a heads up to y'all that when you're trying to get inexpensive items to flip off the classifieds, sometimes that can happen where you get screwed or they kind of waste your time because you're getting it for so cheap or free. So sometimes that's why when you guys make your price points to which you think is high, reselling a table at 400, 600, 200, whatever it may be, remember your time is worth money. So even for me right now, I'm wasting time that's going into this table. So just stuff for you guys to think about. Again, try to be more in contact with the people. Don't be too quick when you're rushing to go get an inexpensive table or free table. Try to make sure that you and the seller are on the same page, that they know you're coming at this time, that they're going to be home, that the table is how they explained it is. They could give you a quick photo off their cell phone, you know what I mean? Is this him? No, of course not. What is going on here? Ain't nobody got time for this. Let's go, son. Awesome. Thank you. Are you able to, I'll help you. Maybe we keep going to the car.
I'm sorry about that, man.
Oh, that's okay, man. I didn't know if that was you. I was assuming probably with furniture, that was the situation. Right here, this red car, we'll just throw it in here. Yeah, I thought maybe that was you, but I wasn't sure. I know when you're moving.
I forgot about it.
Yeah, I know people with their phone. Yeah, it happens. I'm gonna put that part down. So if you can put your end down. Yeah. Perfect. And we'll just slide that in there. Awesome, mate. Yeah, those two. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Whoop. Yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Best of luck to you with your move. Yes, thank you guys so much. Have a good one. Okay, see you guys. And that's how you do it, y'all. Meet up, finally get it happening. Throw it in the car and get ready for that quick project. Quick flip. Let's get going. Okay, so we just unloaded it out of the car. As you can see, it's a great piece. Little smaller than I thought, but that's still okay. You'll still make money at these depending where you live. In my area right now, so many condos, people actually want smaller tables. So this one actually will probably sell quicker. Yeah, check it out. So real cool green color to it. Haven't done these. That's why I wanted to jump on it, because I just thought, what an interesting green color. I really want to distress this base hard like we did to our last one. And on the top, I really want to distress it and make big gouges and just kind of, I think that this color tone, it screams farmhouse. So I love these two colors. And as you can see from the top, yeah, that's going to be pretty good. So like anything, if you get things for discounted or freebies, there's always going to be issues with it. So as you can see here, what's that? A little broken nub right there. I don't know if the broken part's in my car. We could try to glue and nail it back on. If not, it's not broken as bad that I think it may go with the rustic if we can make the look like it's supposed to be there. And the fit on the top isn't as good and strong, but we'll figure that out as we go. So let's go ahead, grab our tools as usual, start hitting this thing up. Man, I love these projects. Thanks again for joining me and always being here watching these videos. Hoo-wee! As you can see, I rounded up all the tools I think we're gonna need on this project. Check it out. I got everything we got our wire wheel we're going to do again, belt sander 50 grit, orbital 60 grit, we got hammer, and then we got a little piece of metal mesh here. I want to try to hammer that in on the top, see what that looks like. And we got all our chains ready to go, and I got some of the big stuff here. So we're gonna take this and really try to hit the base and smash the top. I really want to make this one look super ultra distressed. I want to see how far I can push it and see what the customers like, because as I'm noticing, as I said, every time we go harder with the distressing, I seem to get more calls and more action on the sale of the table. So I want to see how far we can push it without obviously ruining the table, and see if people really enjoy this. So let's go ahead first, I guess, and work on the base. I already wiped it all down, got it clean, got all that ready to go. I took my small little tool kit, tightened up all the bolts on it and all the screws, just to make sure that it's strong and durable, ready for our test. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and smash this thing. Okay, so we got the top basically sanded down with the belt sander. I'm still going to take the orbital and hit it, but first I want to get rid of this lip right here. I don't really like when they always have these little lips. You see that? So I'm going to take the belt sander on a 45, walk it around, and we're going to get rid of that lip and just make it roll over. Then I take the orbital, smooth everything down, hit the sides and roll and smooth that so that it looks just like a round normal table. And I think that comes out real nice. So let's go ahead and do that. Man, what a project this is. What a beautiful sunny day. Super hot. Had to go in the trailer. But what a wonderful turnout. That whole table is coming out to be. That top is absolutely perfect. I can tell that I'm already liking the harder distress you go, bigger, stronger tools, just smashing things to a point of not breaking it, but going pretty hard on it really accentuates and adds those big distress details that we're looking for, because this table is looking 100% amazing and I'm pretty happy. So can't wait to hit it with that clear poly clear coat as soon as this thing dries in 24 hours. Hoo-wee!